In this video, we are going to see the car collection of Sunny Leone and Mia Khalifa. Both of these celebrities have biggest fan collection from India. So let's look into Sunny Leone. Former porn star and sweet lady of Bollywood now, Sunny Leone has net worth of 150 crore rupees and an annual income of 12 crore rupees. Her cars are as hot as her beauty. So let's look at it. Number 1, BMW 730 LD. The cost of this car is 90,000 US dollars or 1.52 crore rupees. This car comes with 3-liter twin turbo inline power turbo 6-cylinder which produces a power output of 261 bhp and 620 Nm of torque. The top speed of this car is 250 km per hour and it can go from 0 to 100 in 6.3 seconds. Number 2, Audi Q7. The cost of this car is 55,000 US dollars. In India, it is 90 lakh rupees. This car comes with 3-liter 4-cylinder TDI diesel engine which produces power output of 245 bhp and 600 Nm of torque. The top speed of this car is 234 km per hour and it can go from 0 to 100 in 7.1 seconds. Number 3, Maserati Ghibli. The cost of this car is 80,000 US dollars. In India, it is 1.39 crore rupees. This car comes with 3-liter 24 V6 cylinder V-type engine which produces a power output of 270 bhp and 600 Nm of torque. The top speed of this car is 250 km per hour and it can go from 0 to 100 in 6.5 seconds. Number 4, Audi A5. The cost of this car is 44,000 US dollars. In India, it is 60.37 lakh rupees. This is the first car purchased by Sunny Leone. This car comes with 2-liter 4-cylinder TDI diesel engine which produces a power output of 175 bhp and 400 Nm of torque. The top speed of this car is 235 km per hour and it can go from 0 to 100 in 7.9 seconds. Mia Khalifa. Mia Khalifa's net worth has accumulated approximately 20 million US dollars. In India, it is 150 crore rupees according to Celebrity Network. She appeared in a total of 21 adult films, but today she is known more on a social media personality and has over 2.7 million Twitter followers and 16.7 million followers on Instagram. And she is the owner of expensive cars. Let's have a look at it. Number 1, BMW M4. The cost of this car is 103,000 US dollars. In India, it is 1.35 crore rupees. This car comes with 3-liter twin turbocharged engine which produces a power output of 425 bhp and 550 Nm of torque. This car has a transmission of 6-speed manual which helps it to reach the top speed of 305 km per hour and it can go from 0 to 100 in 4.3 seconds. Number 2, Ferrari F12 Berlinetta. The cost of this car is 380,000 US dollars. In India, it is 4.71 crore rupees. This car comes with 6.3-liter FC V12 engine which produces a power output of 730 bhp and 690 Nm of torque. This car has a 7-speed dual clutch transmission which helps the car to reach the top speed of 311 km per hour and it can go from 0 to 100 in 3 seconds. Number 3, Bentley Continental GT Convertible. The cost of this car is 226,000 US dollars. In India, it is 4.42 crore rupees. This car comes with 6-liter W12 twin turbo engine which produces a power output of 626 bhp and 900 Nm of torque. This car has a transmission of 8-speed dual clutch which helps the car to reach top speed of 333 km per hour and it can reach from 0 to 100 in 3.7 seconds. Thanks for watching.